everybody, we're here at the English camp Arequipa, and this is the first time that they ever do a camp like this, and we are so excited to be here, aren't we?
So excited!
Okay, I must tell you something. Our poor little Caitlin here was malade. If you don't know what that means, that's sick in French. Okay, what happened, Caitlin?
I don't know, but I was super sick for like 2.5 days.
What were you feeling?
My belly was super upset. And I was sleeping all the time. And I took drugs that made me loopy. They made me fall down. You missed it, but it happened.
She fell on me. She thought I missed it, but she fell on me, okay? Okay, so she's feeling, how are you feeling?
Almost better.
Almost better?
Almost better.
See, we've come here for the mission of the Lord. And we got sick, she got sick, I got sick, AJ got a blister on his lip. Now let me tell you, that is sacrifice. Just kidding. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to get a little peek. We just finished our talent show, which we'll be showing you a little bit more of it. This is just some of the people out here. And we're just waiting for the bonfire to get lit by IJ and Jamez.
And we're gonna teach the Peruvians how to make s'mores.
We gonna teach them, okay? All right. So if you don't see us back in Canada, you'll know why. We'll be here. Bye.
Bye.